In this lesson, we are going to cover how you can integrate your PrintJobManager system to the QuickBooks Online. There are some steps that you need to follow in order to connect these two systems. The very first step you need to do, you would need to launch a developer's console URL in order to create an app. So you will click on Create an App, choose QuickBooks Online and Payments, give it a name, the scope will be Accounting, Create App. Now you will be redirected to a page where you will see a development and production. In your case, it will always be the production environment, so you will be using this section, whereas I'm using it for the testing purpose, hence I will be using for the development area. The steps are same in order to integrate, but since it is for the testing purpose, I'm going to use the development key and auth. I have the client ID and the client secret that I need to fetch into my PrintJobManager system. I will log into my PrintJobManager system. Click on Settings. Scroll down where you see the option Integration Services. There is an additional section that is QuickBooks. Click on Add, Manage. This is the area where you will be entering the client ID and the client secret. So let me just quickly copy paste the client ID and client secret. Since I'm using a development test account, it will be use sandbox. In your case, if you're using a production environment, make sure this option is unchecked since it will be a live environment, so you don't need to click on use sandbox. We will go back to the developers console, scroll down. It is asking for the redirect URL, which again you will get it from your PrintJobManager system. It is nothing but the URL that you are currently in. You have to copy paste the entire URL except the area after the question mark. Click on Save. The third thing you need is the webhooks that ask you for the endpoint URL, which again you will get it from the here. This is the webhook URL. Click on Show Webhooks. Uncheck all the items, scroll down a bit and select on Payment. Click on Save. Now in this section, we are done with all the steps. Like I did for the development, you have to follow the same steps for production. Switch back to the PrintJobManager. Click on Save. The last step which you need to do is to connect to the QuickBooks. I'm opening it in a new browser, new tab. It will try to identify the application which I have created. This is my first app, yes. You will see quick refresh token and the company ID gets auto-filled. Click on Save. Your integration is completed. Now you can push the orders to QuickBooks Online. Thank you.